Hi students, welcome to my channel. This is Shantanu from ARTY KRAFTY. We have already discussed different topics on illustrations like family and friends in daily life, professionals and professions, games and sports, nature, events and celebrations, and festivals. Today we will discuss about dance, drama, music and folk art. So let's start. The first topic is dance. Choose any two from these and copy, draw and color. The next topic is drama. Select at least two and draw and color in A4 size paper. The third topic is music. Choose any two and draw and color. The fourth and the last topic is Indian folk paintings. Select any two, copy and color. This is the 6 easy steps to make a painting. Follow them strictly. These are the 2 YouTube channels for learning watercolor. The first one is Watercolor by Shibasaki and the second one is The Mind of Color. For more information, contact me in any of the following. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if there is any doubt or query, please put a note in the comment box below. Please download the PDF file of all the pictures and copy it in your drawing book and color. See you in the next video. Bye.